Yeah, hi, in today's video we're going to be looking at a brand new site called Free Crypto Rewards. We're going to be doing a full review of the Free Crypto Rewards website, and we're going to go and tell you how you can go and earn free Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Also, they will pay out in PayPal as well. So if obviously crypto is not your thing and you want to obviously get cash instead, then stay tuned and watch this video right to the very end, because we're going to walk through exactly how you can go and do it, and we're going to start right now. Okay, so as you can see here, we've come onto our Free Crypto Rewards website here. And as it says, you can convert your points into free Bitcoin, exchange your points for Bitcoin. As you can see here, it's got a few tabs up here. So how does it work? So let's go and check out exactly how it does actually work. Okay, so there's 4 easy ways you can go and earn crypto on this site. You can obviously watch TV, so you can watch videos, you can answer surveys, you can do offers, and you can download apps. It is a get paid to site, and I've done quite a lot of these reviews in the past. So let's do a little bit more delving into the crypto rewards, the free crypto rewards, and find out what it's all about, because like I say, it is brand new. I've got over 50 plus crypto rewards in their rewards catalog. So what's great about the free crypto rewards is you've got learning guides, so little videos here which just shows you welcome to free crypto rewards, how to earn money by completing offers, watching videos, etc. Coinbase review, so when you go and actually earn your cryptocurrency, you'll be able to pull it out, and the best place to pull it out is probably to a place called Coinbase. Now I've done a video about Coinbase, I'll put a link in the description. And as you see here, they've got a few things here. They've got a support tab, an FAQ tab here. They've also got their terms and their policies, and you can connect via Facebook and Twitter. And as you can see on Trustpilot, they've actually got 2 reviews so far. Like I say, this is brand new website, but it's by a company called Reward Holdings. And we're going to dive straight into the website now. I'm going to show you inside the website and how you can go and quickly earn those points, so then you can then start actually drawing out your Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies, or like I say, they do other ways as well, including PayPal Cash. Okay, so we've come on to the dashboard here in the account I've got here. And this is the home, and as you can see, you've got various other ways you can go and earn points. So you've got surveys, watch, and offers. So if you click on the surveys, you've got a link to a small video here, and we've also got our survey routers here. Now, again, with all survey sites here, some of the information, some of the surveys might be quite old, so you might might not get okay to do the survey, so you might lose quite a few like that. When I went in and tested this a little while ago, yeah, I did get that, but I found this one quite interesting. The one. It says that you can earn up to $3 and it's 3,000 points for each survey completed, and I found that one I did get a few surveys that I could actually go and do. We were saying the Rewards Holdings company that own this also own 3 other sites as well. So that is Zoombucks, GC Loot, and Grab Points. So all 3 of those are very similar. GC Loot concentrates more on gaming, and the other 2 are very similar to this. Now, I've done videos on all of these 3, so you can check those out on my YouTube channel as well. So just check out for Zoombucks, GC Loot, and Grab Points if you want to know more about what this company does and the sort of sites they actually build. If we scroll down on the surveys here, as you can see here, you've got an opinion study, you've got an easy to complete survey. This is the amount of points you're going to get, and this is the amount of time it takes to complete the actual survey. So like I say, this one here, 4 minutes for 253 points, and you just click on the start survey here and it opens up in a new tab. Very, very easy to take surveys. So another way you can actually go and earn points is to watch, and you can watch Hideout TV or Lootable, and I actually did join Lootable and go and watch a few videos. So I think you had to watch 5 or 6 videos. They're only a few minutes long, and then you can earn some points which you then transfer back to your free crypto rewards dashboard. Now the other way you can actually go and earn more points is by doing offers. Now offers are quite a good way of obviously getting points, and they're slightly different to making the surveys as well. Now as you can see here, there are various different things. The offers here, if you spin it round, it says just register and make your first purchase, and you will get, you can earn up to $26, which is 26,000 points on this particular site. Here, other ones here, reach tribe center level 20 if it only counts if new players installing the game for the first time, and it must be completed within the first 50 days of downloading it. So again, if you're into gaming, then this would be a great way to go and play your games, earn points, which in turn you can then take out for crypto, or again, like I say, cash, and we'll show you exactly how you do that very shortly. So as you can see, loads of games here, loads of different offers here that you can actually go and take. Another way you can actually go and earn points is to refer other people. So you can invite friends here, and you've got various, this is a great thing I liked about this site as well, is you can select which home landing page they actually come onto. Now I selected the one just a minute ago to get free Bitcoins, but as you can see here, you can have it on the normal home page, or you can have it on free Ethereum, and then you could then target this on different people. So if you were going through social media, say maybe Twitter, you're doing a Twitter, go and get free Ethereum free Ethereum. You could then choose this particular landing page, that particular link to go with that tweet. So that's pretty good, and you're more targeted, so you're more likely to they're going to go and actually join. Now, when they do go and join, as it says here, you share your referral links with friends, and you can earn up to 500 points when they earn 1,000 points. Okay, so they need to join and earn 1,000 points. But as you can see up in this top left right hand corner, I've earned nearly 1,600 points very, very quickly. So there shouldn't be any problem in that. In addition, they'll earn 500 free points when they sign up with your invitation code. So again, I will put a link in the description below here. If you do want to go and sign up, you're going to get 500 bonus points straight away. And I didn't actually get that because this is a free, a very new site. There's no one really out there promoting it at the moment. You're in a good place to go and actually get your 500 bonus points straight away. Again, when you actually go and hit a certain threshold, you can then obviously go and take out your cash, crypto, or you could actually get gift cards. And the way you do that is you go down to your rewards tab here, you click on gift cards and cash. Again, if you want a 1-minute video of how to do it, this will be shown here. And then if you scroll down, as you can see here, you've got various rewards you can actually go and choose. So Ethereum, Bitcoin, you've also got other things that are local to you. So like in England, Great British Pub Card. So this could be spent on over 750 pubs across the UK. You've got Amazon gift cards, you've got Asda, John Lewis, Pizza Express, New Look, etc. Loads of different places that you can actually download a gift card for and then go and actually spend it. So if we click on the show more tab, as you can see, as soon as we show more, we've also got here PayPal, and as you can see, if we click on the redeem, that's all you have to do. And as you can see here, it tells you the amount you want. Obviously, I've got insufficient points, and it says here PayPal for $5 PayPal, you need 5,150 points. So that's not too bad, guys, considering when you think that I earned these 1,600 points very, very easy, very quickly on just by taking a few surveys and watching a few videos here. And also, if you then go onto the offers wall, And you look at some of these offers, like say this is actually going to get you 25,000 points. So it's actually going to get you $25 once you hit a level 20. Now, if you're a good gamer and you want to spend some time doing gaming anyway, this might only take you maybe a few days, just playing it occasionally to hit that level 20. So that would then work out very quick and easy way to go and grab more points, which you can then obviously convert into your chosen reward. So all in all, guys, the free crypto rewards website is certainly one that you want to go and check out, especially if you're into your cryptocurrencies and you want to earn some more crypto for free. It's a great way of doing that. All you have to do is, like I say, follow the link in the description below here. You'll end up getting your 500 free bonus points. And then come onto here and then literally put in your email address, password, confirm your password, and click on the sign up button right here. You can also sign up with Facebook or Google as well. Then it just take you through to complete some of the information and then you will be good to go. Okay, I trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button. Obviously, let us know in the comments below if you're going to go and join the free crypto rewards. Also, make sure you check out these videos next. These are more ways that you can make money and crypto on the internet. So make sure you check those out as well. Also, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We'll see you on the next video.